today we'll talk about how can you find your block list on your Truecaller app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list on your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on block, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on manage block list, you click on it. Then here you will find all blockade numbers you have. I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by